So hey, what is up people, in this video we are gonna solve Billu Box 2. So let me do the net discover command first. So we have got the IP, and after that I will do the nmap command, aggressive scan as I usually do. Then just wait for the results. So here you can see that port number 22, port 80, 111 and port 8080. 4 ports are open and port 80, so we can go to access the website of that. Okay, so you can see the page, home page actually of Billu Box 2. So let me check the page source if we'll get something juicy here. So you can see on the fifth line, you can see we have got the Drupal 8 version, and if you have solved CTF, you will know that it is Drupal 8 is already vulnerable. Public exploits are already available for Drupal 8. So what I'm gonna do that just go to GitHub and pick up this exploit, which is CVE 2018 and 7600, and just see the exploit.py source code. So so you can see the payload at the end. It is using a echo command, which is a Linux command, and the semicolon something, and the output will be reflected into hello.txt, will be reflected into the hello.txt. Let me copy it first, the source code, then just use the nano command, then exploit.py, and I will just paste the output over here. And then you have to modify it in some places, which first is the proxies one, which is below the example. So let me just uncomment it and yeah, then comment the proxies one, which is the empty dictionary, of course. Oh, you can see the curly bracket. So you can see the proxy I have set onto the port 80 and 81. So let me just replace it with 1, and here also https 2. Okay, so just run the exploit using python 3 exploit.py, then just press enter, and I just have to paste the URL, which was the http and the target IP, and just I have to open the Foxy proxy in order to capture it through my bub suite. Yeah, so no, it didn't got captured. Oh, I forgot to turn the intercept on, so I'm sorry. So let's do it once again, but this time the intercept is on, so it wouldn't give an error something. Yeah, you can see the response basically. So just request, it is the request, so I will just send it to repeater, and after that I will do forward, then this request also I will do the same for that request too. Both are inside repeater, you can see on the tab. So we'll just turn the intercept on, then go back to here. So if we'll get to see that the outputs that was gonna reflect was reflected at the data. So I'm just gonna see the hello.txt file. Yeah, you can see that smiley, whatever it is. Okay, so let's go to here, and here also it will reflect, but it is more favorable there rather than seeing it on the data parameter. So let's change it, and just we can write up a user. We can actually see our own commands. So I will see the id command. You can see we have got it here. So I will send it from the hello.txt file. So basically, This time I'm gonna see the cat etc password file. I don't know what error it gave. It didn't reflected anything. Oh, maybe the problem in the URL encoding. So let me just do the slash etc slash password. Okay, let me erase the addition symbol also. Yeah, then send it. Now you can see it gave the output of the last one, but here you can see on the hello.txt it gave all over was there. So yeah, but using this I don't think so I can upload a reversal. So I'm gonna use another exploit. So but it gave some info useful information to me. So I'm gonna go again to GitHub and see one more exploit for Drupal 8. So you can see this one. So this exploit is written in Ruby. Okay. So let me copy it first and do the git clone stuff. Git clone, then the URL, then press enter. Okay. Okay, now just change the directory to Drupal get on 2. Okay, so I think we have to look at the source code first. So I will do the cat and okay, so I'm gonna use Pluma in order to edit that file. Okay, so I think we should have to do some change. So yeah, you can see the proxy information need to disable. Okay, so what I'm gonna do on the proxy address, I am just gonna change it to localhost and the proxy port 8081 because that mine proxy is set up on and is listening to port 8081. So on the require highline import, you should do use the command sudo gem install highline. Okay, if it gives you error, so just okay, so get back over here and run the exploit.rb ruby doppelgaddon.rb and then the URL which was HTTP and the target IP. Okay, let me paste over here and just press on enter. Oh, it is giving one error. Undefined local variable or oh, so let's go back to here and I think I should make it a string the which I have written over here. Let make the localhost string. Okay, I think that was the problem. That's why it was giving us error. Just save the file and just run it. Yeah, this time it's perfectly running and we have got a cell. Yeah, but we have to achieve privilege escalation in order to solve that machine. So yeah, but let me first check the kernel version. Yeah, and the present working directory. uh but now what we are gonna do that we should open listen to our specific port. Okay, and here I'm gonna run bash reversal. Yeah, oh, no, sorry, netcat reversal. Okay, before let me just check the mine IP address. that here it is. Let's copy it and paste over here. Then the port number. Yeah. And then here I'll just let me minimize all of that. Then yeah, just listen to that particular port using netcat command. Netcat LVP 4747 and listening on any 4747. Yeah, on port number. So let's press enter. Okay, it is saying us that it's invalid option. So we are gonna use ncat, not nc. Okay, so let's click on enter. Yeah, and go back to here. You can see that we have connected to our target machine. So you can run our commands. Yeah. After that, what I'm gonna do is spawn a TTY cell, Python TTY cell actually. So you can see on the first line, let me copy it and paste it over here. And the cell should be spawned. Yeah. So I will change the directory to temporary folder. Okay, in order to perform our operations. So, and one more time, I'm gonna see the etc password file. Okay, and now one thing is left, just to escalate the privilege to root. Okay, so now we can do the pwd present working directory. You can see the tmp. Uh, our term environment variable is not set. Neither I'm gonna do it, but you can do. Then I'm just gonna do is find files with SUID permission. Okay, using that command, but I don't think so it will work, so we will use another one. Okay, let me paste it over here. You can see. So let's wait for the output. Yeah. So on the first line, you can see the /opt/s. It means the optional directory with the s file. So if I can do the chain directory on that, so I will do that first. Let it complete first. Okay, it is completed. So let me just change my directory to that /opt/s. Okay. Oh, I triggered my arrows. Okay. So can't change directory to /opt/s. So let's just see that. Okay. So it is a file basically. So not a directory. So let me go to the temporary folder and just echo bin sh on the file name scp. Okay, then give the read write execute permission to that file, then just export path equal to slash temporary folder colon s and the path. Okay, then just change the directory to opt optional, then just do the dot s. Yeah, you can see we have got the root cell. Yeah, so we have solved this machine. Okay, yeah, you can check the privileges. So thanks for watching this video.